how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're combining the 3 Italianos that we learned and make a fun little routine out of it. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Italiano. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 y 3 y 5 y 7, 8. 1, 2 y 3. 5, 6 y 7 y 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright, mi gente, so we'll combine the 3 Italianos. The most important thing is the transitions. So transitioning from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Let's work on 1 to 2, nice and slow. I'm gonna, let's just say I just finished my first set of Italianos. I'm gonna finish it off with the right foot, so I'm going 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to make sure my weight's on that right foot to transition to number 2 much easier by going on that 1 and that clap. Let's try that again, nice and slow. So if I start off on 5, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 clap. Okay, that's going to make my transition 10 times easier for myself rather than going like 8 and then 1, you know what I'm saying? And I'll be super late. So one last time. I go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Okay? So that's my transition to go from Italiano 1 y 2. Now, the transition from 2 to 3 is the hardest one, but check it out. So let's say I finish my last one, I go 5, 6, and 7 here, 8. Ah, there it is. Make sure the feet are together and put the weight on the right foot so that you can go 1, 2, and 3. Much, much easier, right? Let's try that one more time. So I finished my 5, 6, and 7 pose here, right? On that 7. Feet together on that 8. Now immediately switch that way to the right foot so you can do Italiano 3 with that left leg on the 1, 2, and 3, right? One last time. So we're gonna go 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. All right? So those are the biggest things you want to make sure you're always practicing and making sure you're being diligent about the transition of the weight. If you don't, you're gonna get stuck and you're gonna have a hard time transitioning to each Italiano, all right? So let's do this in halftime with music and then we'll do it at full speed, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno, nice and slow. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, Italiano. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 y 3. 4 y 5, 6 y 7, 8, 1, 2 y 3, 5, 6 y 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. One more, y 1, 2, 3, Italiano, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 y 3, 5, 6 y 7 y 1 y allí nada más. Alright everybody, this will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, fun, entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends, y hasta la próxima.